Hey all, how you all have been? Today in the afternoon, I am preparing two types of fish, Hilsa fish and R fish, and with that, I will fry the Hilsa fish egg. So this video is for all my fish lover friends. Both the recipes I have already shared with you all before, but still there are many of my friends and many of my viewers who keep asking to show me once again, so it's for all of them. And I love preparing Hilsa fish and Joy loves our fish. So that's why I keep cooking these two recipes. My voice won't be sounding that good because I got a very bad cold. Due to the weather change, these days people are getting cold. So drink a lot of, hot water or any hot beverages, or you all can make kara at home and can have it, whatever you all are comfortable with. So please take care and stay safe. Since this recipe of Elsa is my favorite, so whenever I make it, and I pay the same attention every time as if I'm making it for the first time, and that's how this recipe is very special one of mine, and I simply love it because it's with very less masala, and it is very tasty. Since August is here, so I'm extremely happy because all the festivals are arriving, and I'm deciding which dress to wear when. So I'm extremely happy. I'm sure you all might have a lot of plan for the festivals and you all are preparing your stitchings and buying clothes. So please share it in the comment section with me what you all are planning and what dresses you all are buying for Navratri, for Diwali, as well as for the Ganesh Puja, which is in this month. And you all know I always like this feeling that the festivals are coming. When it comes and goes, it becomes very fast. So till the time it is like it has not come and there is a feeling that the festivals are coming. I love it in this way. Oh, waiting for the festivals to come and then we will enjoy. We will do this, do that. Lot of plans we all have. So that is a better feeling than that the festival comes in and it gets over soon. So that's it. So this waiting feeling is something which is very special to me. Whenever I cook this our fish, I get very happy when I see Joy eating and the expression he gives. I remember when I used to be in school and I whenever the Friday used to come, I used to be very happy because Saturdays and Sundays the school used to be closed. Today, like that, in the same way, I becomes very happy whenever Friday comes in because the weekend is coming over. So this feeling that the weekend is coming gives me a lot of happiness. So, and that makes me happy. And every time I feel that the weekend is coming and the Fridays becomes very special than the other days in the week. I'm sure many of you feel in the same way like me. These days I'm very happy because my favorite serial, Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi season 2 has come. And Smriti Irani is one of my favorite actor in TV. And I still remember when we were in school, I used to watch this serial every day. And you all can't imagine in the same way these days also I eagerly wait for the next episode to come in. So every day I, wait at night to watch the new episodes. So that's what is my favorite time pass these days from past 2 days that I wait for this serial and I enjoy watching it. And because the star cast, most of the star cast remains the same, so that's why I'm loving it. And there are a few new people are also added in the show, but the overall show is excellent. OTT has changed our life totally. Previously, we used to wait for the particular time for the serial to, come, or we used to wait. Like for an example, if a serial is at 9:30, we used to wait for that time to come and then watch. But due to the OTT platform these days, we can watch it at any time at our convenience. So, what can be better than this? I still remember 10 years before when, the recording set-top box had come in the market. And I used to have that recording facility. And where I used to skip the ad and can watch the serial as per my convenience. So, and I remember that that was a luxury in those days. So, and today, so many things, you don't require an extra box. There are no extra wires hanging around. You, in just one click with the Wi-Fi, you can connect your TV, and so many things have come in. So many things. So that's what. That's life. I think that's the progress, and that's how 2025 should be. So I wish for a lot of more changes in the coming few years. I really don't know because these days I'm watching a lot of video where I am, I have seen, lot of content where there will be flying taxis in India. So we will not have to wait for any traffic. So life is going to be very easy because of the technologies. Yes, always there are pros and cons, but all thanks to these technologies for sure. So while talking to you all and sharing about my thoughts and all about my favorites, I'm almost at the end of my cooking because I think the fish will be done in just few minutes more. As I always say, kindly comment, what recipes you all want to see, and I'll definitely try to show them in my channel. And my channel, you all know that I always try to show the simple and the tasty recipes. So, and I always believe in the simple cooking where each and every masala is very easily available in your house. You don't need to search for it or no, you don't need to, look for it. You can get it very easily in your house and also in the market also these are very easily available and your recipe becomes very tasty with this masalas. So my lunch is prepared and I have already served it and I'm just waiting to see Joy's expression and I am just waiting to see how he reacts after having the first bite of the food.
How is the food, Joy?
Very nice. Delicious.
Good. So you enjoy your lunch then.